Welcome to BankCard Pro CRM account tracking software. In this training session, I'm going to teach you how to add a new bank processor to the system, customize the fields for the online app, and upload the paperwork, which is the PDF document for the merchant application, to be able to be linked to the online application. So what we're going to do is you're going to log in with your username and password, and you're going to agree to the terms of service, log in. I'm actually using caps locks. So now that's fixed. We're going to log in. And basically we're at the home page. So as a system admin user, you're going to go to the setup configuration page, and you're going to scroll down all the way to the fourth section, and you're going to click on Banks Processors. And just for demo purposes, the first thing you're going to do is add a new bank processor to this page. And here you can see that we have over 90 different banks and processors integrated into this software. And the way this works is this page allows you to add, edit, manage, and customize new and unlimited online user applications for each ISO, bank, or processor that you're submitting accounts to. These user online applications are for in-house use by your employees and sales partners in order to board new client account details into your CRM software. So what we're going to do is we're going to add, just for demo purposes, a new bank processor name. And we're going to click on Add. And what this is going to do when we click Add, it's going to be working in the background, because what it's doing, so that you don't have to customize the online app and add new fields all from scratch, it's going to actually add the default app that we have built into the system and apply all those fields and the entire application to this new bank processor that you build into the system. Then what you can do is when you edit the fields for the app, all you have to do is really edit and add fields, but you don't have to really start from scratch and basically add some 150 fields, because a majority, up to 80% of those fields, are already going to be present and applied to this online application that you add into the system. And then the next step that we're going to do is, when this is done, we're going to actually go and upload the paperwork to this PDF document. Now that the page is successfully added, this new bank processor, which we can see right here, and you're going to notice the PDF document is missing. What we're going to do is we're going to enable this PDF document, and we're going to enable this as the default app in the system. And we're going to scroll down and we're going to save. And now that that's all done, what we're going to do now is we're going to go back to the setup configuration page. We're going to scroll down to the fourth section, and we're going to click on Vendor PDF Documents. And we're going to add a new vendor. And the category title is going to be Application and Forms. And we're going to add new. Then we're going to scroll down and we see what's here, and we're going to actually give it a code, and we're going to assign it to the bank processor name that you added to the bank processor page, and that's right here. So now that we've linked this section to the bank processor, we're going to scroll down and submit it. And now that's done. And when we scroll all the way down, we're going to see it right here, already in the system. Now what we're going to do is we just added a new vendor. Now we're going to add the PDF documents to this section. So we're going to click on that page, and when it takes us to this page, we're going to name the document. Then we're going to choose the section. And then what we're going to do is upload the actual PDF document. And I have this document saved right here. And I'm going to upload this document. Changes made successfully. Now when you scroll down all the way to the processor page, we're going to scroll down all the way to this section where it shows First American Payment Services, and it's successfully linked. And if you click on View PDF, it'll show the PDF document. The next step that we need to do is go back to, actually go to the next button, Enable Vendors, and we're going to scroll down, and we're going to enable this to show up in the PDF Docs section for each merchant account in the status section. So we're going to click on this button and enable it, scroll down, submit, and we're all done. So when we go to the status section, we can see all the apps, and what we're going to do is just fill out an internal app real fast, and it's going to be a FAPS, First American Payment System apps, and we're not going to fill out the fields or anything. We're just going to go through all the steps real fast. I'll probably fill out the fields on this page. Proceed to step 5. We're going to keep going to step 6. Step 6 is actually the rates and fees page, and this entire online app, all these fields you can customize. Proceed to step 7, which is the equipment page. So here you can add all the equipment items to this page. Proceed to step 8. Here's the final page, and you're going to submit the application, and at this point it's going to give you an alert saying we're going back to the status section. And here in the status section, under application status in progress, you're going to see the app, the FAPS app that we filled out. It shows up here. So when you click on this link and you go to PDF section, you're going to see that you have successfully added your PDF document to each app. And the next step that we would need to do is, at this point, with BankCard Pros, we would have our programmer actually take the PDF document on all pages and add the code and integrate it into a folder into your source code, so that you can now map all the fields, so that when you fill out an online app, all the data for your online app, which is on your app, will actually populate your PDF document. And that would be the final step. So we're going to sign out, and this will conclude this training session.